Welcome back to DRAWPEDIA tutorials. Today I'm gonna teach how to draw Powerhouse from Fortnite. If you are new to this channel, be sure to like, subscribe and comment below. I'm gonna draw on my Wacom tablet, but you can follow my tutorials with any other media that you have, whether it's pencil color, Sharpie or crayon. Now I'm gonna begin with drawing his mask with a line across for the top part. Turn it diagonally down at the side. Semicircle turn to the side on the left and right, and turn it downwards below that. Extend the line at the side downwards all the way to the bottom part of his mask on both the left and right. Turn it diagonally inwards from the side of the mask and curve line across for the lower part of the mask in the middle. For his ear, I'm gonna draw a diagonal line out and slightly downwards at the upper point right there. Turn it downwards and diagonal turn back inwards for the lower part of the ear. I'm gonna do the same thing for the right ear right there. Now above his head, on the left side, I'm going to draw a curved line diagonally upwards, semicircle turn at that corner across to the right. At that corner, I'm going to draw a rectangular shape, a line across inside of that. Copy that same shape on the right side as well. And I'm going to continue the line across his head to the right. And on the right side of the head, I'm gonna draw a tilted rectangular shape at that corner right there. Now inside of the mask, off center, in the middle of the mask, I'm gonna draw a diagonal line at that corner. Turn it sideways to the right. Turn it diagonally downwards at the outer corner. Sideways to the left. Diagonal turn upwards to the left. Sideways to the left. Diagonal turn downwards and straight downwards to the top of his chin, and at the middle point I'm going to draw another line downwards, diagonal turn up and to the right right there. Copy that same shape on the left side of his face right there. At the side of his cheek, I'm going to draw a short diagonal line on the right there, and another similar shape below that. From the side of his face, at this lower point, I'm going to draw a faint line all the way upwards to the upper part of the mask. I'm going to copy that whole shape on the left side right here. Now below the mask at the side, I'm going to draw his neck with a line downwards on both the left and right. And from the left corner of the neck, I'm going to draw across a curved line all the way to the right. And from the side of his neck, I'm going to draw a diagonal line downwards and to the left. Semicircle turn to the right and across. And I'm going to mirror the same shape again on the right side right there. At the side of that shape, I'm going to draw a line downwards and slightly outwards. And below that, I'm going to draw his armor with a line across on the left corner right there. Turn it downwards diagonally and across. Mirror the same shape again on the right side right here. Turn it downwards at the sides. And turn it diagonally inwards below that. Inside of the armor, I'm going to draw on the right corner a line across, turn it diagonally out on both sides, turn it downwards on both sides, and turn it diagonally inwards and down below that on both the left and right, and a line across at this lower point. Inside of that shape, I'm going to draw a circular shape, and another one inside of that. In the middle of the armor, I'm going to draw a line across at that corner, turn it diagonally down and slightly out on both sides. Above the armor, off center, I'm going to draw a line upwards on both the left and right. On the outer corner of that line, I'm going to draw a small circular shape at that point and a black dot in the middle. I'm going to do the same thing on the left side right here. I'm going to extend the line at the side here downwards, sharp turn upwards at the outer corner, and turn it diagonally in to the side of his mask right there. Copy that same shape again at the outer corner on the left right here. At the inner corner of the collar below here, I'm gonna draw a curved line diagonally upwards and another one below that. At the outer corner of that collar at this lower point, I'm gonna draw a line diagonally inwards. Copy the same shape of the collar on the right side right here. For his shoulder pad, I'm going to draw a diagonal line out from the side of his armor at this upper point, sideways to the left, diagonal turn back upwards on the left corner, curve line upwards at that point. At that corner, I'm going to draw a rectangular shape, and above that, I'm going to draw another rectangular shape right there. Curve line across on the right side of that. Now inside of the shoulder pad, I'm going to draw a circular shape and a line downwards on both sides. Semicircle line from the ending point of that curve line. From the side of that, I'm going to draw a line downwards on both the left and right, and a semicircle line across at the ending point. Below that, I'm going to draw a triangular shape right there. And below that triangular shape at the corners, I'm going to draw a curve line upwards on the left and on the right side. Below the shoulder pad, I'm going to draw another similar diagonal line from the outer corner across, diagonal line back upwards. Copy that same set of line again at this lower point. A line upwards at the outer corner, sideways to the right. At the side of his collar on the right, I'm going to draw a curved line downwards, turn it inwards at the side of his armor. Copy that same curved line at this inner corner, and along that shape, I'm going to draw some curved line across, right there. And I'm going to copy the same shape of the shoulder pad on the right side. Below the armor, I'm going to draw the lower left arm with a diagonal curve line across, right there. Turn it downwards at that point, and from the outer corner on the left, a curve line across to the left and slightly downwards. Turn it diagonally down and to the right, curve line back to the right, curve line upwards, turn it sideways to the left and turn it upwards. A rectangular shape at that corner, and inside of that rectangular shape, I'm going to draw some lines across. From the side of that arm, I'm going to continue the line across to the right, turn it upwards again at that corner with a curved line, sideways to the left, turn it upwards. A rectangular shape at that corner, and inside of that, some lines across. On the right side of that, I'm going to draw a small rectangular shape, and I'm going to fill that in with black color. Continue the line of the arm to the right, semicircle turn at that corner upwards, turn it sideways to the left, turn it upwards, sideways to the right, an arch curve line to the right. Below that, another line across and arch curve line again at that point. Below that, another arch curve line again. On the right side of that, a diagonal line down, sideways to the right, and turn it back upwards. Semicircle turn to the left, and at that corner I'm gonna draw a rectangular shape. And at that corner I'm gonna draw a rectangular shape and another one above it. On the left side of that, a line across to the left, semicircle turn downwards. At the outer corner of the gauntlet, I'm gonna draw a rectangular shape at that corner, fill that in with black color. Copy that same shape again on the right side right here. And on the left side of the gauntlet, I'm gonna draw a curved line diagonally out and down, semicircle turn back upwards at the elbow, back to the shoulder pad right there. Now at the side of his wrist, I'm gonna draw a curved line across, turn it upwards, sideways to the right, and curved line upwards. I'm gonna mirror the same shape of the gauntlet on the right side as well. At the side of his armor, I'm gonna extend the line diagonally downwards and turn it downwards. At the inner corner, I'm gonna extend that line downwards as well, right there. And I'm gonna do the same thing for the right side of the armor right here. Along the side of his gauntlet, I'm gonna draw a diagonal line across in the middle point right there. And I'm gonna do the same thing on the right gauntlet. I'm gonna add two rectangular shape at the outer corner on the right gauntlet, and below the arms I'm gonna draw his waist with curved line downwards, flare it back out below the waist, and a curved line across for the top of his belt right there, another curved line at this lower point, and a line downwards at the upper, curved line at the sides on both the left and right. Along that shape, I'm gonna draw two lines downwards in the middle point, and I'm gonna copy that same two lines at the sides right there, and on the left side right here, and another two right there. And along the belt right there, I'm gonna draw some lines across in between those two lines downwards. Below that, in the middle point, a curved line across, a rectangular niche at the sides, continue that curved line across, an arch curved line from that point to the left, diagonal curved line outwards and down at that corner, semicircle turn at the ending point right there, and diagonal curved line back inwards and upwards to the inner corner. Along that tube, I'm gonna draw some curved line across right there, another one at this lower point, and at the outer corner of that tube, I'm gonna draw a line downwards from the upper curved line. I'm gonna copy the same shape of the tube on the right side. In the middle point below that, I'm gonna draw a curved line across, and off center on the left, I'm gonna draw a line downwards for the inner line, semicircle turn inwards and across to the outer corner on the left, semicircle turn back upwards at the outer corner, and Below that, I'm gonna draw another curved line across, a line downwards on both the left and right side. Now inside of that strap, I'm gonna copy the same shape as the belt. Below that, I'm gonna continue the line of the legs downwards with a curved line at the inner corner and the outer corner. Turn it slightly inwards towards his knee point, and on the right side, a curved line downwards below the knee point, and on the left side, I'm gonna draw his knee pad with an arch curved line, sideways in the middle point, an arch curved line at the ending point on the right. Turn it diagonally down on both sides, semicircle turn at the ending point below on both the left and right, curved line across in the middle. Inside of that, I'm gonna draw from the upper corner at the side a diagonal line inwards, curved line across to the left, and diagonal line back upwards on the left side. Now above that set of line, on the left corner, I'm gonna draw a circular shape right there, and another one inside of that. I'm gonna copy that set of circular line on the right side right here. Below the knee pad at the outer corner, I'm gonna draw a diagonal line inwards and down, across, diagonal line back upwards on the right corner, and I'm gonna copy that same set of line again at this lower point, and again below that right there, and another one below that. Curved line downwards at the ending point at the sides right there, and below that I'm gonna draw another curved line downwards to his ankle point on both the left and right, slightly inwards towards his ankle point, diagonal line on the left corner below that, sideways, and turn it downwards. Below that shape, I'm gonna draw a line across from the left, turn it diagonally upwards to the right, sideways to the right, and turn it back downwards. Flare it back outwards at the base, and curve line across to the left. On the left side of the foot, I'm gonna draw a line across to the left, semicircle turn downwards. Turn it diagonally out and downwards below that, and curve line across all the way to the middle point on the right. Turn it upwards at that corner. An arch curve line above that, and turn it back downwards on the right side. Slightly above the base of the shoe, I'm gonna trace the same line across right there, and another one slightly above that. Along the base of the shoe, I'm gonna draw some rectangular shape. At the ankle point, I'm gonna draw a line across at that corner and a line down at that point. From the side of the ankle in the middle point, I'm going to draw a line upwards right there. Continue that line upwards to that point. I'm going to do the same thing at the outer corner on the left right here. And I'm going to copy the whole leg shape on the right side without the strap on his thigh. And that's all for our tutorial today. I hope you enjoy it and find my lessons helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe to this channel. Also, feel free to drop your requests, suggestions, or any other comments in the comment section below. See you next time.